My dear friend, have you ever feel lost in life? You are not sure what to do next, right? What career to choose, what relationship to hold on to, or even why you are doing what you are doing. It's like walking through fog, and no matter where you turn, nothing feels clear. This is not only you who face it. There are many people also face with this too. And so had one of the Buddha disciples, a monk named Milungkaya Buddha. One day, Milungkaya Buddha went to the Buddha, frustrated, and then he said, "Buddha, my Lord, if you don't tell me whether the world is eternal or not, whether the soul exists or not, then I will give up the practice." He was confused. He wanted all the big answers before felt confident in his path. But the Buddha calmly replied with a parable. Milungkaya Buddha, imagine a man is shot with a poison arrow, but he refused to let the doctor treat him until he finds out who shot it, what the bow was made of, and what case the shotter belonged to. By the time he gets all the answer, he will be dead. The Buddha's point was simple. You don't need all the answer to start healing. You don't need to figure out the entire future to take you next step. When we feel lost, our minds often race for meaning. Why am I here? What's my purpose? And I'm making the right choice? But the Buddha taught, focus on what brings you peace right now, right view, right action, and right mindfulness. So, if you feel lost, start small. Breath in, breath out, and ask yourself, what small thing can I do today that led me toward clarity, not more confusion? That might mean studying instead of scrolling, talking kindly instead of reacting, sitting quietly instead of chasing noise that the past. My dear friend, the Buddha didn't give you all the cosmic answer. He gave something better, a way to live with wisdom, step by step, one breath, one choice at a time. Just as the great ocean has one taste, the taste of salt, the Dharma has one taste, the taste of freedom. And freedom begins right where you are. Be free and peace. Thank you.